Hello everyone, we are back with Glenn Velvet Reviews here, and I just got my new HP X27i gaming monitor. I picked this up at Micro Center in Paterson, New Jersey. Is where I picked this up. They had it on sale for Black Friday, well, Cyber Monday, whatever you want to call it. So I picked this up. This is just going to be an unboxing review. So we're going to unbox it and see what we get in the box, see what comes with it, and that's all this is right now. Not really a setup. So let's take this thing apart and see what we got. Can we see it? Yep, still good. Okay. Alright, so on the top we have an HDMI. There's an HDMI cord that's on the top right here. That came right out first, so we'll lay that on the counter. There's one right there. Then we got the power cord right here. This is the power cord that came out on the right side of it. Well, the right side if you're looking at it from the front, but that came out on the right side, so that's there. Okay. So what's this? Alright, so this is the, I don't even know what this is. I guess this is the base. This is the base, so this is the, looks like the base of it. Has a little screw right here. You could screw into the bottom of it. So this is going to be the base of the monitor, it looks like. Make sure you could see. Alright, so that's the base of the monitor, and then we're going to take out the monitor itself right now. Here we go, right out of the box like that. Okay. And we got the monitor right here. Instruction manual is at the bottom. Here's the instruction manual for the monitor. That's in there as well. That was at the bottom of the box. Another quick setup guide was at the bottom as well, so that's on there as well. And that's about it. That's all that's in there. So this is what the box looked like, just so you could see it. I'll show you the back of it too as well. You can pause it, pause the film and see what the back looks like. I can hold it up a little bit closer for you if you want to see the back. That's everything it says right there on the back, so you can see it. Alright, so that's about it. Let's put this down. Okay, we're going to unwrap this. So this is kind of what it looks like right here. It's a 27-inch monitor. Like I said, we'll do another video of it plugged in and us setting it up and stuff like that. But this is just an unboxing video. So here's this on here we have to take off. Slide that off. And this is what the back looks like. I don't know how to hook this. Oh, okay. So, there we go. It goes down. Okay, so this thing was in the up position, like that, as you saw it when I came out of the box. You just bend it down, and then this is going to go into the base, and that's how we're going to hold up the monitor. So that's how it's going to be held up. So let's put that, let's put the base on, so you can see what it looks like. Let's put this on here to protect the monitor. Okay. Let's put that on here. Looks like it goes just like this. Can you see that in the video? Hopefully, let's see. Yeah, you could see that in the video. So this goes on just like this with a little, it's a thumb screw. I call it a thumb screw because you only need your thumb really to put it on. Well, you need your other finger, but you know what I mean. It's a thumb screw. It's not like an actual, you don't need a screwdriver for it. Okay, that's it. So there's a little HP sticker on the back right here. Well, HP logo on the back, and there's a sticker on top of it that we're going to have to take off. But that's kind of what it looks like and what the setup is going to be right here, just like that. It tilts back and forth. Power button over here, as you can see. It has HDMI. It has a display port, and it has a line out, I guess, for the speakers. So it has that on there. So that's good. And then that's all it's got. It's got everything. That's all it's got right there. It's not a curved screen. It's a straight screen. So I don't know the difference. I mean, some people like curved, some people don't. You know, whatever. I used to have a curved screen. Now I don't. It is what it is. I'm probably still gonna like the screen. If I don't, then I'll return it. But that's about it. These lines are supposed to light up. The green lines are all supposed to light up when I turn it on, so you could see that. So we'll check back, and we'll. I'm going to install this in a couple of hours when I get a chance. I'm going to install it, and then we'll look at it when after we do the install, and you'll be able to see what it actually looks like and see the colors on it and how it really looks when it's powered up, and has the pretty much the power hooked up to it. All right. So that's it for Glenn Velvet Reviews on the unboxing of the HP X27i gaming monitor. And any questions or comments, please post them down below. I would love to know. And I guess I'll see you guys later. Sorry for stuttering. That's just what I do when I'm having a party. So that's about it for now. Enjoy. That was an unboxing review. Like I said, anything else, let me know in the comments below. We'll go through them. And have a good day. Enjoy. Bye-bye, everybody.